All right, so I was helping a customer, and for some reason, the new mechanic over here assembled up his motor. It's not hitting.
Oh yeah.
Of course, I got the push rods click
Right.
back down again. Okay, so what did you do?
So I put the
The magic
We've
goo. The magic goo.
1184
There, I gotta get a close up of that. What did we use? That right there.
just right here.
Okay, brand new bottle of it too. 'Cause
Exactly.
we can't find the chemicals yet from the old store. So oh well. So how is that brand new? It's nice and slushy and soft and gooey.
Beautiful and smelly.
Oh, great, perfect. So you
So I took this off.
so you took that off and you use that nice clean rag
Flipped it.
there. Oh, look at that! It didn't scratch the chrome up. Look at
Exactly. Put some little dollops in the start in these corners to start with.
that. You mean right here, it's all radiused over and it will never seal.
Exactly.
Okay, perfect.
Let that set up for a few minutes, and then did a full perimeter pass.
Perimeter. Those are big words. Is that an Australian word?
No. And then I put a thin layer on the bottom of the head here.
Damn, you actually listened to me. Damn.
Exactly.
How'd that work out?
Good.
You got a big layer of goose shell on the top all the way around, hopefully?
Yeah.
Okay, but not much on the bottom,
Not
right?
much.
Okay, now the little residue that's left over, you can put a little brake clean on your finger and
Mhm.
just rub it off. It'll
Okay.
come off. Or after it sets up a little bit, just rub with a rag and it'll come off also.
Balls up.
It'll disappear. Unlike silicone, it will come off. I like how you got it over here on the chrome. It looks really nice.
I know. I thought you'd like that.
Good job. I like that. All right, so this is falling down a little bit. You gotta keep it up where it belongs. So these pads here, their purpose is to go underneath here, but we didn't do that.
These pads?
You didn't put extra pads in there when we raised it up, so now it doesn't work as good now.
It's true. We
Might
may
have-
have missed that step.
Might have to redo that,
That's a good point.
because right now this is just going to go like this
Right.
in there.
Yeah, there's no pressure.
Yep. Minor setback.
Uh-huh.
Well, we had to do a test application of
Exactly.
the goo. All right, well, I would pull that off before it gets too set up. Luckily, just redo across because it's not set up. We're going to have to get probably at least one more thick of these pads to go in here. So what I do is you put pads in there until it touches,
Holds it up.
and then you have a little bit of compression. You won't have this noise like this. I'm sure that won't make any noise going down the road,
Exactly.
because these are there to dampen the noise inside of that. Otherwise it makes lots of noise. So this one we already glued in, but I'm going to have to put some more in here. So while you're doing that, I'm going to go find me some more pads. We'll be back.